FreeReels dark mode setup, how to change theme in FreeReels. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your theme in FreeReels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your theme or to set up a dark mode on the FreeReels app, make sure to launch the FreeReels application. So right on the home page, or even if I go to my profile, you can see I'm already on the dark mode. Now if I go to settings or anywhere like that, FreeReels app does not give me the option to switch the theme from light to dark mode. That is because it is already in dark mode. So if you're trying to change the dark mode, you do not have to worry because the application is already in dark mode by default. And especially OTT apps or video player apps or music player apps, they are normally coming in dark mode. If you look at Netflix, Prime or Spotify, they're all in dark mode and they do not give you the option to switch to the lighter version, which means that it is already in dark mode. I hope that the video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.